Wake up to a cloudy day, dark rolls in and it starts to rain. Staring out to
What's
the
up,
gauge
brothers?
like
You know who it
walls.
is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. Today we're going to be talking about battery maintenance tools, so stay tuned and let's check it out. Now I got this toolkit, this battery maintenance kit from OTC Tools off from Amazon. What it consists of is your terminal puller. This thing's pretty stout. Basically, it adjusts onto your terminal. You crimp it down, and then it basically pulls it off. You know, it's like any other puller. This can also double for windshield washer wiper pullers. Next item is like a terminal cleaning tool. You can ream the inside of your terminal, and then this is for the actual battery terminal style. On the battery, you can ream and reshape those. Comes with an assortment of different ratcheting wrenches, 15/16. That's pretty common. That's like a Chevy side terminal style size. So it comes with a short one of those, and then a 10 millimeter short one. Pair of battery terminal pliers, and then a long 5/16 terminal wrench as well. Lastly, we'll get back in there. Lastly is just like a brush for cleaning off corrosion, both inside the terminal and around the terminal. So, I forgot the exact price. I'd have to look on my Amazon account to tell you the part number of this. But if you looked up the OCT battery terminal maintenance kit, this will pop up. One thing that's not mentioned is it comes in this sheath opposed to a hard case, which is better for me because you can kind of form it into a spot in your box that it fits best. But you don't really need all this whole kit, but I really like it because it is a complete kit, and dealing with batteries a lot, it's helpful to have that whole kit right there. You can just flop it open, you have exactly what you need at that moment in time. The next item is from Mac Tools. You can get these are pretty generic. You can get them off from Amazon or whatever. But this is basically a battery carrier, so you're saving yourself from holding the battery and getting any possible acid or any splashback. And it's perfect for my application in the heavy ag, setting batteries into a machine that you have to reach over a lip or something like that. This is going to help me better place the batteries in. The part number on this is 6470. So pretty basic operation. You set tool to the size that you think you're going to need. Come down, grasp your battery, make sure it's on there nice and tight, and then you can lift it up onto your work surface. So when dealing with batteries, make sure you always have your PPE, pair of gloves, and some eye protection. The first is the terminal cleaning tool. So you can get this on here. This is for the negative side. You can see it cleans it up, takes all the burrs off. And this is for the positive side. You can see here it works pretty well to get you pretty clean terminals. Mixed up with your brush, you can polish off the rest of the battery terminal. So now here, our battery would be all set to be reconnected. Next up is our side terminal tool. So you see we can reach down right in here. This is on a Chevy Duramax. Get right on here and be able to take this terminal off relatively easy. And it's all part of that kit. Side terminal tool. So these several tools and a good multimeter are the tools that every technician really needs to be able to do battery maintenance. You don't necessarily need all these tools, but they definitely make your life a lot easier, especially if you're taking batteries in and out a lot. One of these battery carriers will save your back, save your hands from getting crushed. Cheap little insurance, but definitely a good item. This OTC kit was relatively cheap on Amazon, and again, it has everything that you need all laid out. You can roll it back up in, and you have quick accountability for all your items. And then a multimeter, you can pick them up at your auto parts store. Craftsman has a lot of good multimeters because they're kind of going out of business, so they're usually on sale. You can get all kinds of promotional discounts on those. But I really enjoy Flukes because of some of the safety features. There's not a fusible link, but there's like a little breaker in there, so you're not gonna fry the whole machine. But as always, you know what it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew signing out, brothers. Top tech battery maintenance tools.